Fire's First Amendment library is the only one of its kind in the nation. The goal of the library is to enhance the public's understanding of the First Amendment, and to do so in a way that's accessible to everyone, from law professors to high schoolers. We want our library to be your first stop when you need to know about the First Amendment and its freedoms, like freedom of speech, freedom of the press, and freedom of association. To that end, the library will include an ever-expanding database of Supreme Court cases dealing with First Amendment issues. Currently, the database contains more than 900 cases and will add new ones as they happen. The idea of the First Amendment and its freedoms didn't come out of nowhere, so we're also hosting Fire's guides, legal books, documents, and articles. Specific topics relating to the First Amendment, both big and small, that highlight influential Supreme Court decisions and other materials that inform and educate readers about each topic. Interactive timelines highlighting landmark events in the history of free speech and First Amendment rights. Readers can learn about the history leading up to and following the adoption of the First Amendment. Special collections, the first edition being the complete collection of transcripts from comedian Lenny Bruce's obscenity trials across the country. This is the first time these have been made accessible to the general public and free of charge, all under one roof. The stories of the Supreme Court justices and lawyers who argued the cases and the clients they represented. All of that and more are just a click away. Self-government depends on self-knowledge and our ability to understand the latitude and limits of our freedoms. The First Amendment is one of the cornerstones of constitutional government in America, and for good reason. It's vital to a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. So take heed, read, learn, think, judge, and then share it with all your fellow citizens, both in conversation and practice. How we use our freedoms, after all, is up to you.